Bonjour and welcome to French 1 with Mr. McCoy. This is lesson 40 dedicated to more numbers. We have 3 learning objectives for this lesson. First, that's for you to be able at the end of this lesson to count all the way to 1,000 in French, for you to be able to produce in speech and in writing the numbers you need up to 1,000, and also for you to be able to write down in either numerals or in words the numbers that you hear or that are dictated to you. Okay? So 0 all the way to 1,000. And we're kind of assuming at this point that you have a pretty good foundation with your numbers, that you're able to count all the way to 100 with no trouble. You're able to produce, again, the written forms if you need to catch what's spoken to you. If you feel like you need to review, here are the lessons you should consult. For the numbers 0 to 20, see lesson 5. 21 through 60, check out lesson 17, and if you need help with 61 to 100, that will be lesson 27. Okay? So again, those are the lessons you should consult to brush up. Again, if you feel like the foundation might not be there yet. Okay? But if it is there, let's go ahead and see today how do we count all the way up to 1,000. And luckily, again, if we have that foundation, it shouldn't be too terribly difficult. So let's begin by counting it by 100s. Let's count by 100s. Regardez bien et répétez après moi. Répétez après moi. On a 100, 100, 200, 200, 300, 300, 400 or 400, 500, 500, 600, 600, 700, 700, 800, 800, 900, 900 et 1000. 1000. Okay? So again, notice with 100, there's nothing in front. It's just 100. 100. Also with 400, most often in somewhat speedy, natural speech, if we have 4 followed by a consonant sound, I think you hear most French people won't pronounce that R. Okay, you hear 400, 400. Okay? Unless it's a vowel coming after, like 4 students, 4 élèves, 4 élèves, or 4 o'clock, 4 heures. Okay? The vowel comes next, you hear that R, but consonant comes after, it tends to be dropped. Okay? That's why I pronounce 400, 400. That's probably the more typical pronunciation. Okay? And notice also with the even multiples of 100, the 100 will be written in the plural with an S. Okay? So 200 and above, the 100 takes an S. Now that's not going to be the case if we don't have an even multiple of 100 that we're dealing with. So for example, we have 117. 117. Again, what comes after? Just like what you already know. 17. 17. Okay? 117 would be just 117. You don't hyphenate this to connect with the rest. Just 117. 253, 200, 200, again, don't hyphenate it, don't connect it to the rest. 253, 253, 467, again, got 400 here. 400 or 400, again, don't hyphenate, don't connect it to the rest. 67, just like you already know, 67, 467, 467. Okay. 829 would be 829. 829. 829. 117, 253, 467, 829. Okay. You could follow along. If so, check this out. How would you read these out loud? And how would you write these out in word form? Pause the video if you need to real quick. 667, 929, 399, 455, 281, 701. Pause the video, give it a shot. Okay, so you're back. First, how do you read these? En français. Comment dit-on en français? Les nombres suivants. Répétez encore avec moi. On a 667, 667, 929, 929, 399, 399, 455, 455, 281, 281, 701, 701. If you'd like to see those written out, here they are. 667, 929, 399, 455, 281, 701. Okay. Hope you're able to follow along. We'll get one more practice with that in class par la suite. Okay. Donc pour le moment, bon courage, merci bien et au revoir.